Welcome to Wear It From My Wardrobe. This episode is all about dresses that I swear I can only wear on holiday. You know, the type of dresses that are just too flowy, too floaty, too sexy and revealing, just too extra for Tesco's.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dress. Baby boy, not a day goes by without fantasy. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dress. Baby, baby, baby boy. Baby, baby, baby boy. Baby, baby, baby boy. Baby, baby, from my mind. Baby, baby, baby boy. Baby, baby, baby boy. Baby, baby, baby boy. See you in my dress.
She is gorgeous, so gorgeous, and only gorgeous on holiday. Let me tell you, I wore her to Greece, Mykonos, not on the plane. That would be really weird if I wore a dress on a plane. But no, when I was in Mykonos and it was dinner time, I wore her to go to dinner, walked down the beach, went into the restaurant. It was so fitting for the occasion, and it just doesn't spark any joy for me to wear this in the UK, honestly, because since then it's just collected dust. Just sitting there in my wardrobe, you know, collecting dust. So yeah, if I go on holiday again, well, I have been since, I just don't think I've worn her in other destinations. I feel like she's fitting for Greece or Santorini or Mykonos, where she's been already. I'm just trying to think of other destinations where I could wear her. But yeah, she's definitely gonna just stay in my suitcase for one of those other adventures that I take, God willing, hopefully. But yeah, she's just not, it doesn't work for an everyday wear, obviously. She's just too pretty for it. She really is. But yeah, put some nice clear heels on. I can't remember what heels, did I wear heels when I wore it? I can't remember. But equally, you can wear nice, pretty sandals as well. But yeah, I just don't think that this will work for every day. So it's gonna be a just strictly holiday dress. This is good. This is really good.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
This dress screams Dubai. It screams Dubai only because I have worn her in Dubai. Honestly, it's so classy, it's so elegant. It's just holiday. It's holiday in Dubai. Look at her. Just look at her. She's just so gorgeous. Although I do have some high beams going on here. I would advise to wear some nipple covers if you have those type of issues. But other than that, this is so fitting only for holiday. This is not everyday wear. It is not. There's not even a debate about it being an everyday wear. I will not dress it down. We will not be wearing trainers with this. We will not be wearing a jeans jacket or making it casual. No, I will gladly walk in Tesco's to do some shopping with this, but it's absurd. It's too extra for it. It's not good enough for that. Dubai, hands down Dubai. Love her, love her.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dress.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dress.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby, baby, baby boy.
Okay guys, so this dress I believe is screaming Malta. it just feels like a Malta dress. Because, I'll tell you why. Because I feel like Malta, just because it's kind of more like a city getaway. You know what I mean? So I feel like I could maybe dress this in a casual way, right? So if I put on a jeans jacket, some trainers, maybe. I feel like we could just, let's see what we can do. Okay, so we're gonna throw the heels away. So I've got these New Balances. I haven't really worn them often, but I feel like they are quite dressy. These New Balances, they're quite dressy. So I feel like if I pop those on, maybe change accessories to more of a silver type of vibe, then I could throw on a jeans shirt. Bear with me, guys, bear with me. It's just because I can't find my jeans jacket, or not that I can't find it, it's just not accessible right now. So we've got this jeans shirt that I wore earlier in the video. So let's pretend that this shirt is my jeans jacket. Although I feel like this kind of works. I feel like it works. It does work. Then we've got these trainers on. So we put the trainers on with some socks, please, please. I feel like it goes, guys. I really do. Okay, I'm gonna make you guys tell me this is not a look. I don't know if you can see the bottoms, but I've got the trainers on. I feel like this could go, this could work. I could go, this could work. This could go, this could work. I could go to Tesco's, I think. Okay, guys, so be honest. Do you think I could pull this off for brunch in the UK? Or just even go to Tesco's in this outfit? I think I could. I think I could. I really do. I feel like this has a lot more going for it in the UK than I actually thought that it would. I feel like it does. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you think about this outfit. Be honest, by the way, please. Let's take my trainers and my heels.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind. You feel my fantasies.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasies.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
Wear her with a nice leather jacket, maybe some knee-high boots or some ankle boots. Can't decide which one. Some dark black ones. Maybe I can give her a chance in the UK. She's a little bit tight, I'm not gonna lie. And this is a large. It's a little bit tight. I can't decide. I can't decide if I should keep her, throw her away. The only reason why I would like just put her on Vinted or something is because she's a bit tight. And I know I put in some weight, but this is a large, yeah, from Zara. And it's squeezing me, really squeezing me. So I don't know if I'm comfortable. I love to be comfortable, so I don't want to be uncomfortable. And I love to eat. So technically, if I'm wearing her on holiday, I would be eating. I mean, it looks good. It's really gorgeous. I haven't worn her on any destination. So comment below what destination you feel like this dress should be worn at, because it is a holiday dress. However, putting on that leather jacket made me think maybe she could have a second chance, or a first chance even, because I've never worn her. If I want to keep her, it's the hardest part of the video, because I need to figure out if I want to keep her, style her differently, or just let her go. Let her go. I don't know, because I do need to declutter my wardrobe. Help me out, guys, please. Let me know in the comments if you have those holiday only dresses. Let me know, because I feel like I'm not the only one. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you like and subscribe. I can't wait to be back with another episode of Wear It from my wardrobe, and I hope to see you. So make sure you come back. Make sure you come back. And yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. See you soon. Bye.
Think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love.
Baby boy,